Okay, so I'm back here. This is just to show the RSSI, how to bring it on a OLED screen instead of earlier on we had it on the smartphone, and now we're going to put it on an OLED screen, and you can actually make your own little device. If you compact and put it on a battery, there are possible those little connectors with a battery. It's quite easy to carry it around and check your RSSI or your Wi-Fi strengths around your property. Okay, so let's see. We need to do this. Okay, let's see if I can get it going now. All right. Okay, so this is the. Let us see how it works. Okay, it's going to take a bit of time because it's an ESP. Yeah, so practically it's just to check the strength of your Wi-Fi. This is the code. Here again, I've got the secret file, so you can unquote these two. But if you want to put your Wi-Fi name and your password here, then you can unquote these two lines. Okay, so the rest is pretty normal. It's initialize your OLED, and then you don't need the IP address here because it'll bring in the front. It all takes a long time though. I don't know, maybe it's me, but I found Arduino work fast directly. This 32 ESP microcontroller, they're very slow though. Not sure why. Okay. Maybe my PC is slow. That's another question. Okay, so let's go and have a look. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so the strength of my Wi-Fi is, in this case, 45. But obviously, if I had to put it on a cellular phone, like I did earlier on an IoT, and walk around, and you'll find in a certain area go down to 20, other areas will be up to 60. And here, because I'm close, obviously, it's quite high. Yeah, there you are. I mean, it's simple. Not a difficult one, but it's a nice project, to measure anything from any other places if you want. Any case, thank you very much. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it, and have a good day.